Essential oxygen. It works, it's clean, it's regenerative. Here's my story. I'm Kate Linforth, founder of Essential Oxygen. In 2005, I was a health-obsessed female entrepreneur who started a raw foods company in Austin, Texas, and sold my delicious, nutrient-dense food at the Sunset Valley Farmers Market. My business was thriving, food was beloved, but I was losing my teeth. Both my parents had false teeth by 50, and I was headed in that direction. I had really deep pockets, receding, tooth sensitivity, tartar buildup that had me at the hygienist every 3 months for a cleaning. So when my dentist had no ideas for me, I took it upon myself to come up with a solution using nature's gifts. I created the brushing rinse. This is what I put in it. Food Grade Hydrogen Peroxide, aloe vera, and thieves oil, lemon, eucalyptus, rosemary, cinnamon, and clove, essential oils known for being antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral. So this is how I use the brushing rinse. I'd shake it up, pop the lid, especially first thing in the morning when you wake up, right? Spit that bad saliva out, squirt it in your mouth, go to the bathroom, or do something for 30 seconds to a minute with it swishing around in there. Tilt my head back and brush. In 3 days, I was getting compliments on my sparkly white teeth. In a week, my gums weren't bleeding anymore when I flossed, and my tooth sensitivity was gone. Go figure. In a month, when I went back to my dentist and hygienist, they were floored. They said the pockets, the receding, and the tartar all had stopped advancing, and then they just got better, better, better. 12 years later, I still have pristine oral health, and I'm still getting compliments on my super white teeth. I'm happy to report that it not only helped me, but the brushing rinse has gone on to become the #1 selling natural mouthwash in the United States for the last 3 years. Not only is the brushing rinse the most effective way to brush your teeth, it's the cleanest. It's certified organic, non-GMO, and has no objectionable ingredients like alcohol, fluoride, glycerin, sodium lauryl sulfate, and it's regenerative. If you spit it on the grass, it gets greener. If you spit it in a stream, the fish get oxygen. How great is that? The 16 ounce is the perfect solution for international travel and camping. The 3 ounce is the perfect play for backpacks and short trips. For the weight-adverse trekker backpacker, there's nothing more on point than our 2 ounce on-demand tooth polish that gets your teeth their sparkly whitest, freshens your breath, and remineralizes your teeth. For the ecology-minded outdoor enthusiast, nothing is more helpful than our 3% food-grade hydrogen peroxide, which kills germs without imparting toxic residue, which is mind-blowing when you think about it. At home, the 3% food-grade hydrogen peroxide is the proven best cleaner to disinfect for food, surfaces, even dog breath. This is according to a 2016 study by Dr. Annie Pryor. In the wild, it's the very best thing for cleaning dishes, fish, slimy hydro flasks, and camelbacks. 3% food-grade hydrogen peroxide doesn't have heavy metals like the brown bottle types of peroxide, and it doesn't have the caustic burn of 35% peroxide that you read about in books. Like the brushing rinse, it's regenerative. It makes grass greener and oceans cleaner. Wow! We offer 3 sizes. The 8 ounce spray, which is great for countertops or dog breath, the 16 ounce, which can live in your medicine cabinet, and the 32 ounce eco-economical refill. Essential Oxygen products are the definitive play for the planet-loving, nature-loving oral care and cleaning.